Imagine turning on your TV this fall and realizing it's no longer just a screen for movies or shows, but a powerful hub that combines entertainment, communication, gaming, and even intelligent features. All powered by Apple's latest innovation. That's exactly what the leaks suggest about the next Apple TV. And this time, Apple might be preparing a device that redefines what a streaming box is capable of. Today, we're breaking down every major leak, from the new chip to FaceTime cameras, to the software upgrades, and even the surprising potential price cut. Stick around until the very end, because that's where we'll reveal not only the most likely release window, but also the possible price range that could shake up the entire streaming market. Apple has a strong history of launching its Apple TV lineup in the fall, and the leaks are pointing toward October or November for this year's release. That timing lines up perfectly with Apple's pattern of saving big product announcements for the last quarter of the year, just before the holiday season when people are ready to upgrade their homes and buy gifts. Imagine hosting a holiday party and showing off the brand new Apple TV that can do things your old one never even came close to. The timing feels like more than coincidence. Apple knows this is the season where new tech shines brightest. But what makes this launch truly exciting isn't just the timing. It's the technology inside. The new Apple TV is rumored to feature a brand new N1 chip. And while chip names might sound technical, the benefits are easy to understand. This chip supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. And that means faster, more stable, lower latency connections than ever before. If you've ever been annoyed by buffering right when your favorite show was getting good, or laggy connections while gaming, this upgrade is designed to eliminate those frustrations. Wi-Fi 7 promises blazing speeds and rock-solid stability, while Bluetooth 6 means accessories like AirPods or gaming controllers connect instantly and work with almost zero delay. The experience becomes smooth, effortless, and invisible, exactly the way it should be. Apple isn't stopping there. Alongside the N1 chip, leaks suggest the device will be powered by the A17 Pro chip and paired with 8 GB of RAM. To put that into perspective, this is the kind of power you'd expect from a premium smartphone or even a laptop, not from a streaming device, and that changes everything. This kind of performance means the new Apple TV won't just stream content, could support advanced gaming, multitasking, and even Apple Intelligence features. Imagine asking your TV to recommend content based not just on your viewing history, but on smarter AI-driven personalization. Imagine seamless voice-assisted tasks or smarter multi-device integration. All powered by the hardware under the hood. Then there's the feature that has everyone talking, the built-in FaceTime camera. This could be the boldest move Apple has made with the Apple TV so far. Imagine sitting on your couch, getting a FaceTime call, and seeing it appear on the biggest screen in your house. No more huddling around a tiny phone screen or balancing a laptop. With gesture controls, you could answer with a wave, mute yourself with a simple hand raise, or adjust your camera view with nothing more than emotion. This takes video calls from being something personal and small to being an experience that includes the whole family. Some reports even hint at Apple experimenting with both front and back cameras. If that turns out to be true, the Apple TV could offer advanced zoom, improved low-light performance, sharper Full HD recording, and smoother visuals that rival what you see on an iPhone. Picture this: a family call on Christmas Eve where the Apple TV camera automatically adjusts to the lighting in your living room, zooms in smoothly to keep you centered, and delivers a crystal-clear picture for everyone on the other end. This is more than just a webcam for your TV IT. Could feel like Apple is building an entirely new category of living room communication. The software side is just as important. With tvOS 26 launching alongside the new hardware, Apple is making the experience more personal and more useful. Leaks suggest we'll see features like personalized contact posters, where your friends and family see a custom card you've designed whenever you call. There will also be expanded live captions that work in more languages, which is perfect for bilingual households or anyone who wants to make their content more accessible. On-screen call notifications are also expected, so you'll never miss an important call, even if you're watching a movie or playing a game. Apple is finding ways to blend communication and entertainment into one seamless experience. Now, let's talk about something that could completely shift the streaming market: the price. Apple's current models start at around $129, which already places them above budget competitors like Roku or Amazon's Fire Stick. But according to analysts, this new model might drop closer to $100. That doesn't sound like a huge difference, but in this space, it's a bold move. By lowering the price while still adding massive upgrades, Apple is signaling that they want to compete directly with those cheaper alternatives, but offer far more value. A $100 Apple TV that delivers premium performance, advanced connectivity, built-in cameras, AI features, and a polished interface could easily become the streaming device of choice for millions of households. Think about it this way. For about the same cost as a mid-range Roku or Amazon device, you'd be getting a product that integrates perfectly with your iPhone, your iPad, your AirPods, your Apple Watch, and even your Mac. None of Apple's competitors can offer that same seamless ecosystem. And with Apple Intelligence potentially expanding into the Apple TV, you're not just buying a streaming box, you're investing in the future of the smart living room. This leads to the bigger question: why is Apple suddenly pushing so hard on the Apple TV? The answer is pretty clear. They already dominate your pocket with the iPhone, your wrist with the Apple Watch, your ears with AirPods, and your desk with Macs and iPads. But the living room? That's the one area where Apple hasn't fully taken control yet. Competitors like Roku and Amazon have strong positions there. This new Apple TV looks like Apple's attempt to change that. They don't just want a seat in your living room. They want to own it. If these leaks are accurate, this could be one of the most significant Apple TV launches ever. We're not talking about a small refresh with slightly better performance. We're talking about a reimagined product that takes the best of Apple's hardware, software, and ecosystem and brings it all into your living room for a price that could finally make it mainstream. That's why this fall's launch is one of the most anticipated Apple events of the year. So what does all this mean for you? If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade, or if you've held off on buying an Apple TV because the price didn't feel worth it, this could finally be the model that changes your mind. With new chips, new cameras, new software, and a lower price. This Apple TV could be the one that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. And as we get closer to October and November, all eyes will be on Apple to see if these rumors become reality. Imagine the keynote moment when Apple unveils this device, showing it not just as a streaming box, but as a central hub for entertainment, communication, and even smart AI-powered experiences. That's the vision Apple seems to be pushing. And it could reshape the way we think about our TVs entirely. If all of this excites you as much as it does me, you'll definitely want to stay tuned. As soon as Apple makes things official, we'll break down exactly what it means for you, your wallet, and your living room. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon right now. Because when this new Apple TV is finally revealed, you'll want to be among the first to know exactly how it changes the future of home entertainment.